Hi friends, welcome to LK Production YouTube channel. This is Mr. LK. Today I'm going to talk about you one of the most incompetent MPs of Indian Parliament who doesn't have any formal, informal or non-formal education, who doesn't even know how to speak English or Hindi language except his regional language. He is none other than Nava Kumar Saranya, hailing from Kakrasar Lok Sabha constituency, Assam, India. Actually, he is such an MP of Indian Parliament who doesn't even know the very rule of an MP of Indian Parliament. We have never seen him raising any issue in the parliamentary session, and we have never seen him delivering any lecture in the parliament. But the people of his constituency are very much hopeful that they have a representative in the Lok Sabha, and the problems will be raised by their representative in the Lok Sabha session. But till today, not a single issue has been raised by him in the parliamentary session. So it's really so sad. It's really so sad and really very unfortunate for the people of Kakrasar constituency. You may be surprised to hear that actually why he doesn't speak anything in the parliamentary session or before the national news medias or so. The main reason behind it is that actually he doesn't know anything about Hindi or English language. He doesn't know how to speak Hindi or English language. That is why he is very afraid of speaking English language and Hindi language. So how such an MP of Indian Parliament be such a foolish that he doesn't understand any parliamentary language? So actually this is the such kind of people are responsible for the underdeveloped our country. Okay. Now the matter of great concern is that how such an incompetent leader who doesn't understand any parliamentary language can become a part of such an Indian Parliament. How such a person who doesn't have any democratic knowledge can be a part of such a highly decision-making body of the Indian country. It's really shameful and very unfortunate. With the people of Kakrasar constituency are very unlucky to have such a incompetent MP who doesn't raise any issue, any problems of the area, of the region, who doesn't understand, the very need of the common people of the Kakrasar constituency. So we are very unlucky to have such an incompetent MPs in our region, Kakrasar. He even doesn't know what is the preamble of Indian Constitution, and a person who doesn't know the very preamble of the Indian Constitution will know nothing about the Indian Constitution as a whole. So how a person who doesn't know about the Indian Constitution, how can such a person can become a member of Parliament in the Indian democracy? And not just that, he is not able to sing any state or national anthem or song, which is really very shameful. Being a citizen of India, being a member of Indian Parliament, if he or she cannot sing a state or national anthem or song, it's really disgusting and it's really shameful. So we are very unlucky to have such an MP in our region who doesn't know anything about the democracy, who doesn't know about the demography of the India, who doesn't know anything about the country, who doesn't know anything about the region. Now the question arises, how such an incompetent leader can contribute towards the nation building? Okay, instead such kind of incompetent leaders are the responsible factor for the sluggish development of our country. Not a single developmental work has been done by him till today in his region. Okay, on the contrary, he always creates communal conflict among the communities, always make a conspiracy of divide and rule policy among the communities. Discrimination, exploitation, blaming are his major motives, and he knows nothing else except this, for which very frequent such kind of communal conflict, clashes, dissension arise in the region. That's all. Dear friends, share this video as much as you can so that every people of India come to know that such kind of foolish member of parliament exists in the Indian Parliament. With the help of this video, I would like to suggest the government of India that the government of India should prescribe a minimum educational eligibility criteria for those candidates who want to become an MP of Indian Parliament.
আমার এলপি স্কুলত ফিজিক্স কেমিস্ট্রি নাই এটা নিজে নিজে এটা সাবজেক্ট উলিয়াই ললে সাবজেক্ট হব নেকি মোক কওকচোন এটা মই আমাৰ বিটিসিৰ যুৱ বন্ধুসকলক অনুৰোধ কৰিম যে আমি অবৰু নহয় নেকি আমিতো অবৰু আমি বড়ো কাৰণ অসমত বড়ো অবৰু মিলি থাকিলেহে অসমীয়া জাতিটো থাকিব কাজিয়া কৰি থাকিলে আপোনালোকে যদি সদায় কয় মই অবৰু তেতিয়া বড়োবিলাকে কি ভাবিব তাৰমানে এইটো এটা বেলেগ জাতি আগো বড়ো কৈ থাকিলে অবড়োবিলাকে ভাবিব এটা বেলেগ জাতি কিন্তু আমি যদি বিটিসি বাসী বুলি কওঁ আমাৰতো বড়ো একো নাই সকলো শান্তি সুখ সকলো ফূৰ্তিত আছো এইবিলাক যে লোকসভা ইলেকশ্যন আহিলে কাজিয়াবিলাক ওলাই আগত কিয় নোলাই আগততো চব হাগ্ৰামাৰ ঘৰত সব চন্দন ব্ৰহ্মৰ লগত সব আমি মিলা প্ৰীতিত থাকো বিহু হল চন্দন ব্ৰহ্ম আহি গল অনুষ্ঠান হল চন্দন ব্ৰহ্ম আহিলে হাগ্ৰামা মহিলাৰী আহিলে এতিয়া নৱশৰণীয়া বোলা বস্তুটো ক'ত থাকে তেতিয়া মিউজিয়ামতো বিচাৰি নাপায় পায় নেকি কোনোবাই এতিয়া আমাক লাগে ট্ৰাইবেল হ'ব লাগে ৰাজবংশী ট্ৰাইবেল ষ্টেটাছ কি নৱশৰণীয়ে দিব পাৰিব নেকি মোক কওকচোন আমাৰ হিতেশ ভাই তাতে ঘৰ আছে মই হিতেশ ভাই সুধো যে যদি ৰাজ্যসভা লোকসভাত নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদীয়ে যদি বিলটো নানে নৱশৰণীয়ে কিবা ট্ৰাইবেল কাবাক দিব পাৰিব নেকি মোক কওকচোন পাৰিব নেকি এলপি স্কুলত পঢ়া ল'ৰাইজনে এজন এমপি ই কথাই ক'ব নোৱাৰে 1 মিনিট সংসদত আকৌ ই বোলে ট্ৰাইবেল কৰি দিব মানুহক এনেকে গছত গৰু উঠা কথা যদি মানুহক কয় তে মানুহৰ কিবা মানে এইটো কিবা অদ্ভুত কথা মই এইকেইদিন টিভিত শুনি আছো মই ৰাজবংশী ট্ৰাইবেল দিম আৰে বাবা তুমি কেনেকে দিবা তোমাৰ দিল্লীতে চৰকাৰ আছে নে দিছপুৰতে চৰকাৰ আছে নে লগত দুটা এমএলএ আছে নে দুটা এমপি আছে ট্ৰাইবেল দিব লাগিব বিটিসিয়ে ক্লিয়াৰেন্স দিব লাগিব